Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate large text and DeepL without losing formatting. So actually guys, we'll go with the convert text into a document method, okay? So instead of passing large text directly, you can use the DeepL translator file or file translator, okay? So actually guys, to do that you will need at first to launch or so open up your favorite browser and then just sign in with your account, and then just go and click on translate files option that's located in the left hand menu. It's the second one, okay? So just click it just like so, and right here you will need to open the Word or the Google Docs, okay? And just copy from there and pass it, okay? So just pass your large text there, okay? And apply formatting like headings, bold, spacing, etc. Then save as .docs, and then come here to DeepL, right? And then say on the translate files. So what I said is first to open your Word or Google Docs, and right there pass your large text, okay, and apply formatting on your Word or Google Docs. Then save it as .docx, and afterward go to DeepL and go to translate files and upload the file right here, and then just download the translated version. So this keeps the paragraph structure, headings and styles, bold, italic formatting, and lists and spacing. So you will need to avoid passing large text directly into a DeepL right here on the DeepL translator, okay? So that can break formatting and may hit character limits, even can remove structure, especially lists and spacing, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.